How to change TikTok profile picture. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change TikTok profile picture on your phone. It doesn't matter you have iOS or Android. Now let's get started. First we need to open our TikTok app. And now we need to tap on the profile at the right bottom. Now we see our profile and we need to find option Edit Profile on our screen and tap on it. In appearing menu we see a lot of information, but at the top we see that we can change photo and change video. We just need to click on Change Photo. Here we can take photo with the help of our camera, upload photo or just view photo. For example, I will tap on Upload Photo and upload a new one. And tap Save. And we can click on View Photo, and here at the right bottom we see option Download, and just by clicking on it, this picture will download to your phone gallery. Also we can change video in our profile, we just need to click on Change Video. And you need to choose one which you would like to share with your followers. For example, I will choose this one. And tap Save at the top right corner. And you should notice that TikTok always prefers the video over the photo. If you choose the video but you prefer photo than video, you need to tap on Change Video again and just tap on Remove Video. That's all, it was how to change photo on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.